guys, I hope you all are doing well in YouTube world. Stick around, we got the little noisy bike today, the ring-a-ding-ding one. It's been a while since I've been on that little two-stroke, but what a glorious day. Look at this view behind me. Can you guys see that? You won't want to miss this one. It's going to be fun. Beauty day. Look at that. Beauty. Oh, I think we're going to get it done. Let's do it. Whoa, snow. Oh, what's that? That's weird. Oh my goodness, what a day. Oh, there's an eagle up there. It's a little guy. Oh, there's a couple. That's awesome. So I'm pretty, I'll just let you guys know where I am. I'm pretty limited where I can go this time of year, obviously in Canada. We got pretty deep snow everywhere, but at a certain elevation, it's not too bad. So it's kind of my go-to area for riding when it's like this. I'm actually privileged to be able to ride this time of year because normally there'd be, 2 feet, upwards of 2 feet of snow right here at this elevation. In fact, this is probably the first time in my life I can ride pretty much all year round. I've been riding with, little snow, no snow, little snow. It's just unbelievable. So let's go set the camera up and I'm going to tell you guys my plans for my YouTube channel. Whoa, slippery there. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hoot, you guys. It's definitely deep snow in certain areas. Like right here. Holy cow, beautiful day. So I'll go over those tips again, you guys. Make sure you choose a good line. Like, you can see my other tracks from the last few times I've been up here, and those actually make it really difficult to ride in. Because it's like riding on a 2x4. Oh boy. Oh, that's beautiful. This little bike is a joy to ride. Absolute treat. I only went with a 10-ounce flywheel weight in this thing, and it's just perfect for what I do anyways. Oh, this is amazing. It's amazing that I can even get up here. Should we do it? Should we see if we can get up there? Sure, why not? Whoa! Oh my gosh! It's almost like a controllable slide. I gotta get some footage of that. Holy cow, you guys, I'm having a hoot on this little scooter. Compared to my big 650L and my big adventure bike, I guess it's kind of between my 650L and my little electric dirt bike. Like, it's, you know, bare bones motocross bike, no electric start, batteries. Like, it's about as light as you can get. But does it ever rip? I redid the new Wiseco crank, piston, the motors. I don't even, it's got 10 hours on it or something like that. Not very much. What does it have? 7 hours, or 7/10, I think that is. I'm not quite sure what that works out to, but what a blast, you guys. Let's get a couple good clips. Have a little fun. That thing blows me away. Can you guys believe I just climbed that? You've probably already seen it, but unbelievable. Well, you guys, my weather, I don't know if you can see on the lake over there, the gusts of wind, you can probably see, but it's like crazy windy. It's funny, trees are hardly moving, but trust me, it's super windy. We got some weather coming in. I wanted to have a chat with you guys about my YouTube plans, like I opened up the join button so you can become a member. I plan on giving some paid riding lessons, because you guys all probably already know I've got like over 15 videos in like free lessons in my riding playlist. Look for the one that says learn to ride dirt bikes. But I was thinking, and what I've done is I've activated the membership button, and it's $4.99 a month, which, you know, that's a lot of value if you ask me for a pro rider. For the people that don't know where I got my riding skills, I've been riding for about 50 years, probably half of that at a pro level and a good portion of that at a world-class level. I did freestyle motocross starting in the 90s. I started with all the big name riders in the United States, and then I got a lot of experience around motorcycles through that industry. So I was always a good off-road rider, but I kind of like jumping and flying through the air, so that's kind of where I got my skills. So yeah, I mean, if you guys want to become a member, I'm also going to do like behind the scenes stuff, and you'll have access to all of my videos before everyone else. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So maybe we'll do some lives in the garage and you guys can ask me questions about riding, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. I'm quite excited about it. So right on, this thing is a hoot. Well, that's gonna do it for me, you guys. My battery's not lasting long on this little camera. Make sure you guys hit this button. Yeah, right on. I'll see you guys in many more videos. Check out my members club. Woohoo, Heddletown Club.